I'm Bryson Cook.
And I'm Abigail Rich.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make the peach stream. So you start with a packet of yogurt, and then you get 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Take a spatula and mix it around. After that, you take your whipped cream, about 3 tablespoons, and you put your yogurt in.
Okay, now that that's done, you're going to start out with your graham crackers, and you're going to do a thin layer on the bottom just to lightly coat it. Now you're going to go in with a few peaches. You can either do fresh or frozen. Now you go in with a bit of strawberries. Same thing with the peaches, either fresh or frozen. Now you go in with your mixture, just a little bit to cover the top. And you want to spread it out to where it does cover the top. And that's how you make the peach stream.